Embroidery sewing. Press down the carriage arm release lever to extend the carriage arm. Swing out the carriage arm until it locks in the fully extended position. Press the Design Category key to show the selected design category. Browse the list with the Page key until the desired category is shown. Press the Design Category Selection key and select the desired design by pressing the Design key. Press the OK key and the carriage will move to starting position. A message will appear to confirm the size of the embroidery hoop. Press the OK key. Adjust the thread tension as recommended in the message. You may need to manually adjust the tension balance. Press the X key. The Ready to Sew window shows embroidery function keys and information on the selected design. Press the Lockout key. Place the prepared hoop on the machine. Pass the needle thread through the hole in the embroidery foot and draw it up to the thread holder. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine. Lower the presser foot lifter. Press the Start-Stop button. Sew 5 to 6 stitches and press the Start-Stop button to stop the machine. Cut the loose thread close to the starting point. Press the Start-Stop button to start sewing again. The machine will stop automatically when the first color section is finished. Change the thread to the next color and sew the next section.